Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Khairani and I'm from 12 AKL2. And in today's video, I'm going to share some new vocabulary. This vocabulary is very useful when we are giving explanations or when we are talking about cause and effect. So, let's discuss it. What is cause? When we are talking about cause, we are talking about why something happens. So we're talking about a situation or an event or a reason that leads to something. So what is effect? When we are talking about effect, we are talking about the outcome or the what happens. Okay, now let's look at some sentences where we actually use cause and effect. Let's go. Cause and effect divided into two parts. Part number 1, if followed by a noun or non-phrase. First, due to. For example, due to heavy rain, we cannot go to the market. Next, because of. For example, Budi got good grade because of his study habits. Next, owing to. For example, I didn't attend the practice owing to the stomachache. Next, as a consequence of. For example, Tina can't take the exam as a consequence of cheating. And then, as a result of illegal hunting, the number of wild animals began to decrease. Let's move on to part number 2. Part number 2, if followed by subject plus verb or verb phrase. First, because. For example, because she was sick, she didn't cook well. Next, there are since. For example, the concert was cancelled since it's raining. Next, as it's raining again, we will have to stay at home. Next, there are for. For example, I decided to call it day, for I was feeling tired. Next, so. For example, it was raining hard, so I must stay at home. And then there are therefore. For example, Dina was nervous during the driving test. Therefore, she didn't pass. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video if you like it. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.